What's up, everybody? It's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. Today, we're just doing a quick unboxing and really brief overview of the Ruger BX-25 mags that we just got in. These are for 22 LR, and we got our 1022 here just to demonstrate. So let's go ahead and get these out of the package and talk about it. So opening the package, you can see this is a double pack and not a lot comes with it. As far as on the sheet here, it does have a list of all of the Ruger products that this is compatible with. So you can pause here if needed for reference. Also on here is a guide letting you know that it has the easy feed or stainless steel feed lips. So that way that's gonna feed them at a 30-degree angle, less malfunctions and jams, hopefully. Anti-tilt follower, as well as then you can take apart the mags for cleaning as needed. And then here we have, well, it's just stating a stainless steel constant force spring, providing feed consistency after round. Great, hopefully this is reliable then. Getting them out of the package here, let's go ahead and take a look. As shown here, these are 25 round mags. As far as how you load them, it's the same as all the other Ruger mags. You can see the little groove here. So you'd put the rear of the cartridge in here, you would push down and then slide back, and then bring the next one, push down that rear right here where my thumb is, and then push down, slide back, and continue until this is full. To show you the other mag, the 10 round mag that your rifle probably came with and why you're looking at upgrading to this, you can see that up top they are basically identical as far as the feed, the lips. Actually, that follower is a little bit different there. This one's a little bit bigger because, well, it's bigger. But then as far as the body, at least up here at the top, all of that's the same. So again, this will fit right into your rifle then. Speaking of, let's demonstrate here as far as how to insert this one to use. You simply just put it in the same spot and then you just push straight up. All right, as far as how the mag actually inserts, I had to go off camera here. I think I found out why they send you two of these, and it's kind of sad. So I was playing with both of these, and only one of them actually works, at least in this 1022 Volquartsen setup. So the way you're supposed to insert the mag is the bolt can be forward or locked back, and you simply insert it like this, and then it locks in, and then you can throw your bolt forward, like that, and you're good to go. And then to take it out, you simply push your thumb here, and then the whole mag will just kind of come straight down. So again, just inserts, you can see it's locked in, thumb here then, and pull it out. But with this other mag, it was just giving me a bunch of problems, and you can see it will not go in at all. I did force it and get it in off camera, but then I had to force it to get it out. So, kind of sucks. But anyway, I'll probably send this one back to Ruger. Hopefully they fix or replace it. Or maybe one of you guys let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong here, if there's something I need to adjust on this magazine. But anyway, hopefully this was helpful for you. Regardless of one of the mags not working, this is definitely a solid option to pick up for your 1022 platform. So that way you got more than just 10 rounds when you're plinking at the range or vermin hunting out at your farm. Either way, hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, everybody.